Welcome and thank you for joining me in the math surgery. Today we're going to be looking at the three following questions. First one is find the perimeter of a circle whose diameter is 10 meters. Find the diameter of a circle of a circumference of 18 centimeters and find radius of a circle with a circumference of 8 centimeters. So let's look at number one. So before I've got these three questions, what I would probably want to do now is write down formulas that I'm probably going to need. So for circumference, let me get my right tool going. For circumference, that's going to be equal to 2 pi r or pi d. Okay, for the diameter, the formula will be c over pi, and for radius, that's going to be c over 2 pi. And for good measure, I'm going to put area, the big A, and that's going to be equal to pi times radius squared. I've already put that in there if you ever need to find out what formula you need to use. Right, so let's fire away. Okay, I also want to add that a circle only has one dimension, and if you get a question that says find the perimeter, they're still referring to the circumference. So C is equal to 2 pi r and pi d. It's also known as a perimeter, so don't be confused. All right, so if find the perimeter of a circle of diameter 10 meters. So what I'm going to use is perimeter. So that's what I've said. Perimeter is equal, it's the same as C, is equal to C, which is equal to, I'm going to use pi d. The reason why I'm going to use pi d is because I have a diameter reading here already. Okay, so P is going to equal C, which is going to equal, pi is 3.14 times D, and D is 10. So P, which is equal to C, which is the circumference, is equal to 31.4 meters. Okay, so you can see how that was done. So now we're going to have a look at solving a diameter problem. So let me just clear the board. Give me a second, clear that out of the way, 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 and clear that out of the way. Lovely. Right, second question. Find diameter of circle of a circumference 18.8 centimeters. So I have the formula for diameter, which is D. So D will be equal to C over pi. Okay, so C over pi is equal to, we know the circumference is 18.8, and we know pi is equal to 3.14. So I'm just going to use my trusted calculator here. 18.8 divided by 3.14. So diameter is going to be, I've got 5.98. If I round that off, it will be 5.9 stroke 6 centimeters. So it can either be 5.9 or 6 centimeters, okay? And that is how you find the diameter. So now we're going to have, we just clear the board there, and then we will have a look at radius. So if radius question, if I want to find the radius of a circle or circumference of 8 centimeters. So I know, let me get the right marker there. I know that R is equal to C over 2 pi. So circumference is 8. Two times 3.14. That will give me 8 over 6.28. And then I'll just get my trusted calculator and do the sums. 8 divided by 6.28, which is equal to 1.27, rounded off, is equal to 1.3. That will be your radius. And that is how you find radius, diameter, and circumference. Needed to find that out as well. Okay, thank you for visiting, and I hope you have found this video useful.
Hi guys. You can speak.
A few moments later.
Hi guys. Before you click off this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Bye.